Hi guys, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to make chicken breast, the healthy way of making chicken breast. This is just a healthier version for people like us who's trying to lose weight because it contains like a lot of spice and herbs, stuff like that, the good stuff that we need now in our diets and stuff. So we're using some ingredients like paprika, white pepper, garlic, black pepper, some basil, some herbs of spice, some mint which is optional, some thyme, some chicken seasoning, hot curry powder, mixed herbs, and start by getting a chicken and washing it. Then after washing it, then we'll drain it in a colander. Then we'll put it inside a bowl, like a large bowl. Then we'll start putting our spice, starting from the helps the Provence down to the mint. Then we'll mix it, we'll marinate it, and cover with a cling film. I'll put it in the fridge for about a few hours, 2 hours or so. Then we'll take it out and put it in the oven or in the grill for about 30 to 40 minutes on medium to low heat. I like to cook, then turn to the other side and make sure it's proper cooked before you eat it. We don't want to eat like any undercooked meat because undercooked meat is not good. It needs to be proper cooked. So yeah, just stay tuned the video and hopefully it should help with your queries.